One thing that Squarespace is slowly rolling out on their platform is its use of AI. So they had some content generation AI, which works quite well. They have Blueprint AI, which was okay and is getting better, which is quite a diplomatic response. But one thing that they're now bringing out is Beacon AI. And I think this has a ton of potential when it's completely rolled out. Something that I picked up on in the demos was the use of AI for discounts. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how to find the discounts panel in Squarespace, and then how to use AI to generate the most profitable and most applicable discounts for your store. So on our site here, you'll see I've set up a couple of stores. This was for a previous video. But now that we've got those stores set up, what I can do is I can go into products and services, and I can find discounts here, because you can see we've got some products loaded in. So we click discounts. Obviously, you may have some active, scheduled, or inactive discounts, but now at the end, we've got recommended, and you can see if I zoom in, we've got this little Beacon AI logo. So we click this, and you'll see it will start generating offers immediately. So if we give it a second or two, you'll see straight away we've got 3 different offers that Squarespace is, I think it's called Beacon AI has generated for us. So let's zoom in on this. You can see that it recommends to take 20% off the Earth and Sky planter. And then they've actually recommended, let's come back out. They've recommended the exact code to use and the exact start and end date. Then a different type of discount. So £5 off orders over £25. Again, they recommended, what's that, a 3-week discount window with start 5. And then dip ship. That is so close to an actual insult. That's crazy. But free shipping, £40 plus. Now, you may not want this exactly. You may want to have this, what's the word? Is it in perpetuity? Or you may want the discount to go on forever, basically. So if I want dip ship, because I like the sound of that, if I want dip ship to go, I'm going to slip up and say something there. But if I want that to continue forever, I'll hit edit, and then I can change anything I want about the code. So it starts us off. I think it gives really good ideas, which I think AI is great for. And then we can refine it. So maybe your products start at £50. So you'd say, okay, free shipping 50 plus, encourage more people. Then we go down and we say, okay, well, I don't want to limit to one order per customer. Then I never want it to expire. Hit save. And there we go. It goes into active. So recommended, it's not going to automatically add those in. It's not going to schedule them, make them active, anything like that. But once you hit edit and you save, there we go. They go into active. Now, if you want to, cull these, you can just bin it like so. So that is Beacon AI and how it gives you AI recommended discounts. Hopefully you found this useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.